Hello. As you would have just saw, I got up this morning and I read in my bed for a little bit. And then I had breakfast and journaled while I drank my coffee. And now I'm finishing up some laundry that I did last night before I went to bed. It's just my second load of laundry because it decided to not dry properly the first time. So I had to put it in the dryer again last night. So it didn't get done until really late. So I'm gonna fold this stuff and put it away. Today's video, as you probably already know, is just a vlog of my Sunday today. My Sunday today is a little bit different than usual because I actually have a class I have to go to from 4 to 6 for ballet. We're having a makeup class that we missed all the way back around Thanksgiving. But we decided, like our teacher had discussed with us, that she probably wasn't going to make it up until around final time because then we could use it to work on our final piece, which is what we're doing today. I have to go do that later this afternoon into the evening. And then also tonight I'm meeting with my group of friends to play a game that we've been playing for a while. It's called The Quarry. It's a video game. Look it up if you want to know what it is. It's a really fun game. Other than that, I have to meal prep today. I'm gonna run to TJ Maxx to try and get a new journal because my journal has 1 page left in it right now. And I am trying to get back into the habit of journaling every single day for at least a minute. That is the goal that I set for myself. And so far, I think I've only missed like 1 or maybe 2 days in January just because I was busy in the morning and didn't sit down to do it because I was trying to get out the door, and then I forgot to do it in the evening. And it wasn't even that I didn't necessarily have the time to, it just slipped my mind. But since then, I have been doing it every single day, and I really enjoy doing it. It feels really nice to just brain dump, and if I don't have anything really on my mind to write about, I'll look up like a prompt or two and just answer those questions. Just basically a way for me to make sure that I'm still talking to myself, asking myself what I need, checking in on myself every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Just trying to get to continue to know myself. But yeah, I'm just finishing up my laundry. Mostly just dance stuff. This load is basically dance stuff and my white socks. My other load is like all darks because I wear majority like blacks, browns, greens, and white. That's like my wardrobe. Most of my clothes can go together except for like my white stuff, which I just wash with my dance stuff because I wash it on like a delicate cycle so the colors don't bleed. Then I don't have to do as much laundry, which is great. Not that you guys care about how I do my laundry, but got off on a little bit of a ramble there. And now that my laundry is done, I'm gonna work on meal prepping. I'm not gonna record myself meal prepping because I just made a video a couple weeks ago showing you guys how I meal prep, and also it has a full grocery haul. So if you want to see that, check that out. I will show you today the final things that I prepped, but I'm not going to show you me prepping them just because I just did that in a video. So be sure to go check that video out after you watch this video and let me know if you want to see more videos like that in the future. So I prepped my first thing, which is my breakfasts. I just prepped 2 things of like oats with chia seeds. I wanted to try to get some chia seeds to help me get some more omega-3 fatty acids in. So I did my oats and zucchini like usual, and then I put Greek yogurt, like half a scoop of protein powder, chia seeds, and then blueberries and grapes. And I'm gonna put these in the fridge now, and then I'm gonna work on my next meals that I'm going to prep. I prepped a red lentil pasta with beefless ground and like a roasted garlic pasta sauce, and then I also have some zucchini going in the air fryer, which I'll put in this later. Yeah, this is about like 5 to 6 servings, so this should last me like the entire week, which is really nice. All right, so I'm done doing what I need to do for prepping food because the pasta meal prep that I made actually ended up making like more meals than I thought, so I just figured I wouldn't prep the other meal that I was gonna make because the other meal I was going to make is the tofu and rice and broccoli and chickpea recipe that I made in my YouTube video. So if you want to see how to make that, you can go see that. Also, I have a post on my Instagram if you want to go check out like the full recipe in detail on there. I was gonna make that, but I realized that I actually am gonna get enough meals out of the pasta that I made, and then I'll probably have like eggs on toast for like dinner throughout the week because I have some sourdough bread that I need to get through before it goes bad. And if I end up needing to make the tofu, I can always do that later in the week. It's not a big deal. But now what I'm gonna do, because I'm probably gonna get hungry for lunch here in like the next 30 minutes, 45 minutes or so. So I don't really want to walk and go get my new journal and all that stuff right now because I'm probably gonna be hungry when I'm doing that, and I don't want to be super hungry while I'm doing that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit down, and I have 1 page left in my journal, and I'm going to write out what I want to create for content this week, any ideas that I have, and just kind of the plan, just so that I kind of know what I need to record this week for reels, and also what I need to make for posts and stuff like that. That is what I'm gonna be doing, and I will let you guys know what I do next. I'm eating lunch now. I know this isn't what I eat in a day, but I just wanted to show you guys. I'm having a slice of sourdough with avocado, nutritional yeast, Greek yogurt, tomatoes, spinach, and eggs. And then I'm also having a slice, you can't really see it very well. You can kind of see it there. I'm having a slice with Greek yogurt, cocoa powder, apple slices, peanut butter, and granola. This is my lunch. I'm gonna go eat this while I watch some YouTube. Because I have dance later, I don't really feel like getting more clothes dirty than necessary. So when I go to when I go to TJ Maxx, I'm literally just gonna wear my Leo with my cover-ups on over it. But I'm gonna do my hair really quick. I think I'm gonna do 2 little like buns down here. Since it's ballet, my hair has to be in a bun of some sort. But I think I can get away with doing 2 buns. So I'm gonna do that really quick, and I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, here's my hair. I also put on some mascara and blush and highlighter, just like my usual makeup, just because I wanted to feel a little bit more alive. And now I'm going to run to TJ Maxx and Target and get some things. So let's go. Okay, so I'm back from TJ Maxx and Target. As you would have saw, I got everything I needed to get, and now I'm just gonna sit and read more of my book. I'm trying to finish this book by Wednesday. I made it a goal for my podcast this week to finish this book, and I have like less than 100 pages left, so I should be able to finish it by then. Yeah, I have just about 100 pages left, so I should be able to get this done easy. I'm just sipping on some water with some strawberry watermelon Mio, and I'm gonna read my book. So I read about 3 or 4 chapters of my book, and I made myself a snack plate. This is kind of just like a bunch of stuff. I got cottage cheese, hummus, crackers, a string cheese cut up, peppers, cucumber, pickles, grapes, all the stuff. I'm gonna eat this, and hopefully this will hold me over until after I get back from dance. All right, I'm heading to ballet now. Even though I technically still have like an hour, I want to get there early and see if any of the studios are open so I can just kind of like hang out and stretch on my own and whatever. And I'm bored in my room, so why not? I'm home from my ballet class. We ran our final piece like 4 times. Honestly, I think it was 3 times. I don't know. 3 or 4 times, something like that. But definitely wore me out a little bit. I don't know. I'm having issues. My left calf is like really tight right now for some reason, so it kind of felt like it was gonna snap, which was not fun. So need to figure that out. I'm just getting my hair out, and then I'm gonna make myself some dinner, and then I'm gonna go play that game with my friends. I swear, sometimes my hair does not wanna. Ow. to go. Now my hair's out. And I'm going to have the pasta dish that I meal prepped for the week. I'm going to have a serving of that. I also think I'm going to cook up some broccoli to have with it because I realized I didn't have as much zucchini as I thought I did for it. So I will show you guys that, and then I think that's all I'm going to vlog for the rest of the night, but I will see you in a bit. I just warmed it up in this Tupperware because I moved it to a bigger container. So I just used the Tupperware that it was in originally. This is what I'm having for dinner. So with that is all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. I know it wasn't like crazy eventful, but I just thought I'd show you what I do on a Sunday. If you did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not subscribed, turn on post notifications so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.